raise your both hands up. Exhale, left side, twisting. Inhale, up. Exhale, right side, twisting. Forehead touch to mat. Inhale, up. Exhale, left side. Drop your both palms down. Inhale, up. Exhale, right side. Head down, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, up. Exhale, left side, twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax, okay? First right leg, side of the thigh. Inhale, raise your both hands up. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Inhale, up. Left hand down, right hand over your head. Grab your ankle, head down. Inhale, up. Same, tie phi. Right hand back side. Left hand all the way up. Exhale, down. One more time, inhale, up. Exhale, down and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, up. Exhale, slowly twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, up. Right hand, thigh phi, back side. Left hand all the way up. Arch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Chin phi, gap chin. Yeah, grab your knees and slowly relax your thigh. Now inhale, raise your leg up. Yes, straight up. Exhale, fold your leg over your forehead. Inhale, up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, up and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, right leg right side, left hand left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Chi, left hand over your head. Drop your right palm down. Come to compass pose. Yes, very good. Can I do thigh filing? Right hand up. 1, good job. 2, nice. 3, 4, and 5. Same. Chin phi, up chin. High thigh, swipe high. Right side, twisting. Yes, look back. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I do thigh phi, chin phi? Yes, đúng rồi. Thang chân, từ thang. Come đục dập tay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay, no problem. Thang chân. Lag chân, shake your leg. One more time. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale. Slowly come down. Head down. Relax. Okay. Doi chân. Change your leg. Chân chai. Left leg. Side of the foot. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale. Slowly come down. Good job. Inhale, up. Exhale, twisting. Slowly twisting. Inhale, up. Again, left hand, back side. Right hand all the way up. Go back maximum. Exhale, down. The last one, inhale, up. And exhale down and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, inhale. Exhale, right hand over your knee, left hand over your head, grab your ankle. Good job. Stay here a couple of breaths. 1, Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, one more time. Inhale. Same, left hand back side, right hand all the way up. Go back maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, come down. Chin chai, left leg, up chin. Fold your knees, hug your knees, twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, left leg straight up. Exhale, fold your leg over your forehead. Inhale, up. Exhale, slowly, relax. Inhale, up and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same, tai chai, chin. Yeah, left leg, left side, right hand, right side. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand over your head, grab your left ankle, left hand down. If possible, then left hand up, tai chi in. Keep balance. Yes, very good, excellent. 1, nice. 2, 3, 4, 5. Same, chin chai, left leg cross. Left hand, back side, twisting. Reverse, yeah. Come to up his posture. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tai chai, chin chai. If possible, left hand grab your left big toes. Yes, it's a little bit challenging. 1, okay, comes out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Come to cat pose, meow. Exhale, suck your stomach in. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. The last one, inhale, up, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale slowly to suck your stomach in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Hit bow, tai chi, chen fai. Left hand up and right leg up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hand back side, grab your ankle. Raise your right leg up, 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 land. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now right leg back side. Inhale, right hand all the way up. Yes, very good, excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Same, change your hand and change your leg. Inhale, up. Excellent, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right leg back side, right hand back side. Grab your left ankle and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg back side and left hand all the way up. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come center. Come swung. Chin down. Inhale, Cobra, slowly up. Exhale, child pose, ember. 2 times, Highland, hit bow, lean. Slowly chin down and Cobra pose. Exhale, ember. The last one, inhale, Cobra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thumb arm leaned out, swung downward facing dog. Again, 1 by 1, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit bow, chin file and right leg up. Exhale, right leg front in between your palm. Goisung. Drop your knee, high thigh lean, come to Anjani Asana. Yes, 1, good job. 2, 3, 4, 5. Chân phải thẳng, hai tay xoang, đầu xoang, slowly come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hít vào hai tay lên, chân phải thẳng, tay trái xoang, tay phải lên, trái tay trái tay trái back side, tay trái chân trái, tay phải lên. Or can I do hai tay? Yes, đúng rồi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chân phải thẳng, hai tay back side, hai tay lên, đầu xuống. Chân phải thẳng, từ từ. 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hai tay xuống. Chân phải ra sau, right leg back. Plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ngồi xuống, cắm xuống, chin down. Inhale, Cobra, slowly up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thở, mom lên, đầu xuống, downward dog, thẳng tay thẳng chân. 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hít vào, same. Đôi chân trái lên, left leg up. Thở ra, chân trái lên chúc, left leg front. Yes, hai tay lên cao. Raise your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chân trái thẳng, hai tay xoang, đầu xoang, slowly come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hít vào, hai tay lên, chân trái thẳng, tay phải xoang tay trái. Or can I do hai tay? 1, 2, 3, good job. 4, 5. Relax, very good. Hít vào, chân trái thẳng, hai tay back side, hai tay lên đầu xuống. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hai tay xuống, chân trái ra sau, left leg back. Chân phải ra sau, right leg back. Plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Xuống, chaturanga. Hít vào, lên, Cobra pose. Thở, em bé. Relax.